Have you ever walked into someone's home and immediately felt a sense of warmth, comfort, and effortless cleanliness? Some people just seem to have homes that always feel organized, fresh, and inviting, without looking like they spend hours scrubbing and tidying every day. But here's the truth. Seniors with consistently clean homes don't rely on deep cleaning sprees. They follow simple daily habits that keep their spaces effortlessly maintained. In this video, we're diving into 6 things seniors with spotless homes do every day. These aren't complicated routines or exhausting chores. In fact, they're small, intentional habits that make a huge difference over time. The best part? Once you integrate these into your daily life, keeping a clean and welcoming home will feel almost effortless. Stay with me until the end, because I'll be sharing one simple habit that can instantly transform how tidy and peaceful your home feels, without adding extra work to your day. And trust me, it's something most people completely overlook. Before we begin, if you haven't subscribed yet, I recommend you do so and turn on the bell notification so you never miss any of our videos. If you enjoy this one, type 1 in the comments. If you don't, type 0 to let me know so I can keep improving and creating better content for you. Number 1. They never leave a room empty-handed ***. One of the most effortless habits that keeps a home feeling tidy isn't about scrubbing floors or dusting shelves. It's about taking small actions as you move through your day. Seniors with consistently clean homes have a simple rule: never leave a room empty-handed. Imagine this. You're sitting in the living room enjoying a cup of tea, flipping through a magazine. Once you're done, instead of letting the cup sit on the side table or leaving the magazine on the couch, you take it with you when you leave the room. Maybe you're heading to the kitchen, so you bring the cup to the sink. Or maybe you're walking toward the bedroom, so you place the magazine back where it belongs. It sounds simple, and that's because it is. But this small habit prevents clutter from building up, making it so that mess never gets the chance to take over in the first place. Take someone like Alice, a 72-year-old who always seems to have a spotless home. If you ask her how she keeps everything so tidy, she laughs and says, "Oh, I just put things away as I go." And that's exactly it. She doesn't wait until the end of the day to clean up piles of scattered items. She simply handles little messes the moment they happen. This habit is especially powerful for seniors because it reduces the need for long, tiring cleaning sessions. Instead of setting aside hours for tidying up, a few seconds here and there are all it takes. It also creates a sense of ease and control over your space. A home that always feels cared for, without feeling like you're constantly working to maintain it. Number 2. They follow the 2-minute rule ***. Seniors with consistently clean homes understand that small tasks, when done immediately, prevent big messes later. One of the simplest yet most effective habits they follow is called the 2-minute rule. If a task takes 2 minutes or less, do it right away. Picture this. You come home and place your coat over the back of a chair instead of hanging it up. It doesn't seem like a big deal, right? But then your shoes get left by the door, the mail sits unopened on the counter, and a few dishes pile up in the sink. Before you know it, clutter starts to accumulate, and suddenly tidying up feels like a chore. Here's what seniors with spotless homes do differently. They handle small tasks the moment they arise. Hanging up a coat takes 10 seconds. Tossing junk mail into recycling? Barely a minute. Wiping down the bathroom sink after brushing your teeth? Less than 2 minutes. These tiny moments of action prevent mess from piling up, keeping the home in a constant state of tidiness without requiring hours of effort later. Take Frank, a 75-year-old who never seems to have clutter piling up. When asked how he keeps his home looking so effortlessly clean, he simply shrugs and says, "I just don't let things sit." If a dish needs washing, he rinses it right away. If he notices dust on a surface, he wipes it immediately. Because of this habit, he never has to set aside hours for deep cleaning. It just happens naturally. The beauty of the 2-minute rule is that it removes the mental weight of unfinished tasks. Instead of letting small messes linger in the back of your mind, they get handled immediately. This habit doesn't just keep a home clean. It also creates a sense of calm, control, and order. If this is something you already practice, or if you're going to start trying it, let me know by commenting number 2 below. Number 3. They reset their home before bed. Seniors with effortlessly clean homes don't wake up to chaos. Instead, they follow a simple habit that makes a huge difference. they do a quick reset before bed. Think about how much smoother your mornings feel when you wake up to a clean kitchen, a clutter-free living room, and an inviting space to start your day. Now think about how draining it feels to wake up to a sink full of dishes, scattered papers, and yesterday's mess waiting for you. Seniors with tidy homes spend just a few minutes each night resetting their space. This isn't about deep cleaning. It's about small, intentional tasks that prepare you for a better tomorrow. They might wipe down countertops, straighten pillows, put away stray items, or clear the sink. These tiny actions, just 5 to 10 minutes, have an outsized impact on how the home feels the next morning. Take Linda, a 68-year-old who swears by this nightly ritual. Before heading to bed, she walks through her home, straightening up as she goes. She plumps up cushions, ensures nothing is left out in the kitchen, and does a quick visual sweep of the space. By the time she wakes up, everything is already in place, giving her a sense of calm and control before her day even begins. The key here isn't perfection. It's about preparing your future self for success. A nightly reset means you wake up feeling lighter, with no mess waiting for you first thing in the morning. It's a small gift you give yourself every day. Number 4. They keep their most used spaces clutter-free. Seniors with effortlessly clean homes understand that not every inch of the house needs to be spotless at all times, but the spaces they use most should always be clear and inviting. They focus their energy on keeping key areas clutter-free, making the entire home feel more peaceful without endless cleaning. When you walk into a home, what's the first thing you notice? The kitchen counters, the living room, the main walkways. These are the areas that set the tone for the entire home. When they're clean, the whole house feels clean, even if there's a little mess elsewhere. That's why seniors focus on just a few priority areas. The kitchen counters, because a clean kitchen makes meal prep easier and prevents clutter from spreading. The entryway, because walking into a tidy space sets a peaceful tone. The living room, because it's the heart of relaxation and connection. Take Barbara, a 74-year-old who never seems to have a messy home. She laughs when people ask how she keeps everything so neat because she doesn't. She just keeps her most used spaces under control. Every morning, she wipes her kitchen counters, clears her living room surfaces, and ensures her main walkways are free of clutter. She doesn't spend time organizing every drawer or scrubbing every corner. She simply maintains the key areas, and that makes all the difference. This small shift in focus creates an instant sense of order and keeps stress levels low. Number 5. They embrace daily maintenance, not deep cleaning. Seniors who manage to keep their homes tidy don't rely on weekend-long cleaning marathons. Instead, they embrace daily maintenance, small habits that prevent the home from ever getting too messy or overwhelming. Simple things like quickly wiping down surfaces after meals, folding laundry as soon as it's out of the dryer, or sweeping the floor for a few minutes each day make a world of difference. Take Jane, 68, who has mastered the art of daily upkeep. Every evening, she spends just 15 minutes tidying her kitchen and living area, putting away dishes, straightening cushions, and sweeping the floors. These small efforts prevent clutter from accumulating, so she never has to spend an entire weekend deep cleaning. Seniors who manage to keep their homes tidy don't rely on weekend-long cleaning marathons. Instead, they embrace daily maintenance, small habits that prevent the home from ever getting too messy or overwhelming. Simple things like quickly wiping down surfaces after meals, folding laundry as soon as it's out of the dryer, or sweeping the floor for a few minutes each day make a world of difference. Take Jane, 68, who has mastered the art of daily upkeep. Every evening, she spends just 15 minutes tidying her kitchen and living area, putting away dishes, straightening cushions, and sweeping the floors. These small efforts prevent clutter from accumulating, so she never has to spend an entire weekend deep cleaning. This daily maintenance keeps a home consistently clean without ever feeling exhausting. It helps seniors stay in control of their environment, peacefully and effortlessly. Number 6. They involve the whole household. A clean home isn't about one person doing all the work. It's about teamwork. Seniors with spotless homes involve everyone in maintaining order. Whether it's a spouse, children, or other family members, they ensure that everyone takes responsibility for their own mess and contributes to the shared space. For example, each person might handle small daily tasks, putting dishes in the dishwasher, folding their own laundry, or clearing personal spaces before bed. Take George, a 75-year-old who shares his home with his wife and grown children. Every evening, they spend 10 minutes together putting things away, wiping surfaces, and organizing shared spaces. It's not just about cleaning. It's about creating harmony and pride in their home. When everyone contributes, cleaning becomes less of a burden and more of a shared act of care and respect for the space you live in. Final thoughts. There's no secret formula to keeping a home clean, just a few simple habits that, when practiced daily, make all the difference. By following these small but powerful routines, seniors can enjoy a clean, calm, and inviting home without spending hours scrubbing or organizing. Whether it's putting things away as you go, embracing the 2-minute rule, resetting at night, or getting the whole household involved, these are the habits that make tidiness feel effortless. They don't just keep the clutter away, they bring peace, order, and joy into your daily life. If you've tried some of these habits or plan to start, I'd love to hear from you. Leave a comment below and share what works best for you, or tell me which habit you're excited to try first. Your feedback truly motivates me to keep creating content that inspires and supports you. Thank you so much for joining us today. Please like, subscribe, and share this video if you found it helpful. Your support helps us continue bringing you more uplifting and practical content. We look forward to seeing you in the next video.